Seneta ma Kisumu Professor Tom Ojienda dwani od bura mar Senate ononane tend chich rech ma Kisumu mong'ere kaka Kisumu Fish Market Complex mokoni nitiere weche moko ma ok oriere iye kanyo. Kano chiwo twak e od bura mar Senate, Ojienda dwaro ni komiti mar ohala onon kaka itayo chenro kwan omenda mane otigo de gero gedo mare ji ma ondiki e tich kod ka bende okonyo jo ohala koso oyo.
The Kisumu Fish Market Complex was established with the objective of enhancing fish trade, providing modern storage and processing facilities, and boosting the economic welfare of fishermen and traders within Kisumu County. However, since its operationalization, several concerns have been raised relating to its management, accessibility, and overall effectiveness in achieving its intended goals. In the statement, Madam Speaker, the committee should, one, state or address the current operational status of the Kisumu Fish Market Complex, including providing details on the number of traders utilizing it, its capacity, the infrastructure and services available, such as cold storage, processing units, sanitation and security.